Okay, good morning again, guys. We are on lesson 90 today, and we're going to be talking about simplifying algebraic equations today. But first, I'm going to do a quick review for you guys on the associative and commutative properties. Remember, for associative, it does not matter which one the number associates with when you are using addition or multiplication. You can have a plus b plus c, and it's going to be the same thing as a plus c plus b, or you can multiply. It's the same thing. Doesn't matter which order you put them in, as long as the same numbers are there and you're using the same addition or the same multiplication, you're still going to get the same answer. Commutative, remember, is doesn't matter which way it goes. You can switch the numbers around, you're still going to get the same answer. So a plus b is the same thing as b plus a. Same thing with multiplying. 3 times 4 is the same thing as 4 times 3. That's associative and commutative. So today, for our new algebra, we are going to simplify equations. This means putting like terms together to create an equation that doesn't have 8,000 numbers. So you're going to see it two ways today. You're going to see it in number form, and you're going to see it in picture form. The picture form is just to give you a little more background into what you're combining. So for example, I have here an equation 5n plus 3 plus n. And what it means to simplify, it means to take those things and consolidate the ones that you can put together. That means anything that has n in it goes together, and any numbers that you can combine, whole numbers, you can put those together also. So for this one, if you're going to look at it as a picture, let's draw ends as circles. So I'm going to draw 5 circles here. And we're going to draw 3 as in dots. And here's another end, so I'm going to draw another circle. And you can see that no matter if this says 5n or this is just a plain n, these are still representative of circles. If there's no number in front of the n, that means it's 1, okay? It doesn't mean it's 0. It means that this is one of this number. Whether it's a 3 or a 12, whatever, this means n is 1 of those. So that's why we have 1, 0 here. So we're going to combine like things, which means we're going to combine the circles together. If we have 5 circles here, 1 circle here, that gives us, that's right, 6 circles. So we're going to combine them together, and then we have the 3 dots, and that's how we simplify. So if I was going to take this equation and simplify it, we would now say, if you can see, maybe even down here, it would be 5n plus another n would be 6n plus 3. We couldn't do anything with a 3 because there was no other number here that did not have a variable attached to it, okay? So 3 is going to stay all by itself. So you end up with 6n plus 3. So 5n plus another n is 6n plus 3. Not too bad, right? Okay, I'm going to move you over here where I have some more. Hopefully this doesn't fall off. I've given us some more equations. This says 6 plus 4x plus 2. And you'll see that the only number that has a variable with it is 4x, which means you can't combine this with the other 2 numbers. That is the one that is going to stay the same. Last time it was the 3. This time it's going to be the 4x. The 2 that you can combine are the 6 and the 2. So if you combine those 2 like things, 6 and a 2 is going to be 8. You're going to keep the addition sign because we just added the 2 over here. So it'll be 8 plus 4x. And that just means that we simplified it. It does not mean that we need to solve it. There's no equals in here, no substituting x. We're just simplifying. We're putting together the like terms, okay? Down here, 2x plus 3x. Now both of these numbers, the 2 has an x combined with it, and that 3 has an x combined with it. So you can add those 2 together. So you have a 2x and a 3x. It gives you 5x. And that is that equation simplified, okay? This next one says 2x plus 1 plus x. So in this case, you have 2 with the x. The 1 has nothing with it, so that's the one that's not going to have anything more to simplify. So you're going to leave the 1 alone. So plus 1, you're going to combine the 2x with this 1x. Remember, this is a 1 here. So 2 plus 1 is 3x plus 1. And that's simplified. That's as far as that can go. So that is not difficult, right? Not too bad. So you're going to have some pictures on your work today. And when you turn this in, all you have to do is just type in or write if you're going to just take a picture, but most of you are typing in on the Google Docs forms I give you. The answer. You don't have to draw the picture or anything. Just give me the answer. So it's going to be for 10 and 12. It's going to give you a picture like how we did here, but they're going to use squares. And you're going to combine the like squares with a number, okay? If you have questions about that or get confused, just let me know. They just want to make sure that you can understand what you're doing by using a picture to support your math sense that you're doing. And that is it. So good luck on your work today. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns or you're confused or losing your mind. So I'll talk to you later. Bye.